Many of you are asking what is the status. Is the problems are still existing? It's been sorted out. Should I buy a new Gurkha? These all the questions are wandering to your mind. So a simple answer, the gearbox tight and the gearbox leakage is still there. They are still going to attend it. 3 times they removed the gearbox and attended it, but still it is still existing. DPF error, the R&D is just started. They may come up with a solution. There is no solution yet. Okay. Apart from this, bushers, gaskets or the packagings, all are low quality, and you don't know when it's going to be broken. And my Excel boot is broken 2 times. Now left they fixed, now the right is going to all the worn out. The simple thing is you cannot relay the vehicle if you want to go. Now it's a Deepavali holiday, without going little out station and all. But I saw this Excel board worn out, and I asked service manager. He said you can engage 4x2 and not by 4x4. So what is the point? If you cannot use a vehicle on your need, why we need a 4x4 vehicle? Why we need a 4x4? Let me show you the vehicle's current status. You can see a couple of modifications over the bumper. I changed the tires. I'll give a detailed modification video later, but this one I want to show you the errors. See that axle bolt. I don't know the bearing is gone, but this is leaking. They fixed, but the problem is it's just it can be cost wise, it can be minor, 200 to 50 rupees will be coming. But to remove this and put this back, it will take 4 hours time. That gearbox leakage. You can see here. So I installed this underbody on full prod. You can still see the oil is leaking from that one also. It's too horrible because 3 times they dismantled the gearbox, and the problem is still existing. Means what? Speed sensor issue, and the RPM was going higher to 1400, 300, this much. I shared the video. Same error. RPM is so high, and engine check light you can see. And Force was telling me this may be because of this camera I connected to the ECU plug, but the camera had fixed, dashcam have fixed earlier. How now the things can happen. This trip meter will reset its own, and they're still trying to fix it. Mileage is very less right now. It is way below 10 on an average. City drives you can expect only 6-7. This is because of maybe because of the DPF also, because what what is DPF? Like everyone knows this, right? All the diesel engines having the like a DPF. Of course, this is a norm. But in force, what is happening? Gurkha, what is happening? The regeneration is happening very frequent. It's way below 100 kilometer. So which means like the combustion or energy is going to engine very much. The extra effort to push this soot accumulation, engine is doing extra works. So we know like extra activity is happening for the engine. The RPM will be very high by that time. But however, this one, how the soot is getting less frequent intervals. So one reason is the fuel is going more than it's needed. So the mass, right? So force, I don't know when they are going to fix it. The R&D team discreetly doing their R&D on before Deepavali. They just went back. They came on Dasra time around 10-15 days. They were there, but no information on what is going to happen. When I called Umesh Kalaburgi, he was telling. No, he called me. His intention was please remove the videos. So why do I remove the videos unless we don't have a proper vehicle? And the intention was just his tactics was something like this: what is your issue? This is all sorted. Now what is your problem? Should I give you the list, sir? Apparently I gone through all the pains. Who is going to acknowledge that one? I given my time, my money to you, and you're trying to fix it, but it's not fixed yet. Okay, the one you only came to Bangalore, and you attended my third gearbox dismantling. Yourself was monitoring the gasket packaging. Still the leakage is coming, sir. Right now I'm speaking on November 3rd, 1:43 p.m. This is just after Deepavali, and I'm still having the problem. And how force is going to attend this and all? Now oil leakage is severe. It is dripping right now. Earlier drops was very less. Now it is kind of dripping. So it's a major complaint. I'm not going to let you open my gearbox again. You change the gearbox and do whatever. I don't care right now. I lost the hope on the Force motors and the Gurkha. As I said, we had a few days holidays. We don't get often holidays, but we planned for one trip. But by that time, Gurkha is having its own errors, and you cannot take the chances. I came back to the Bangalore 1 day before, 2 days before, by cancelling all the plans. So the thing is will you able to rely on this vehicle? Absolutely not, at least on this version. 6.1 earlier Gurkhas were running very smoothly, I can see that, but on my experience, this is not the version you're supposed to be having it. Let the force try to fix it. You wait for a while, or go for the other options. Don't I never told this don't buy Gurkha, but this is not the way a vehicle is supposed to be manufactured and give it to us by spending so much money. At least this was okay if you given a DIY vehicle, you do it yourself, then we don't have any issues. If you're looking for a Gurkha, please hold down your gears. You might see in all the reviews. positive reviews. I'm not making any negative reviews. I have like a beautiful moment with this vehicle, but whenever like I want to put that videos and everything, but suddenly some error comes again, going back to the zero. You can see one Jimny is coming there, how smoothly it is running, and he doesn't have any problems. Apparently a compact vehicle. We have a huge vehicle and people say from the outside, wow, the man who is sitting or the who is sitting inside and doesn't have any that feel means there is no confidence when your vehicle is going to stop. God knows. With that tension, we are driving the vehicle. Each time I decide to go for a long drive, I'm deciding in my mind like this vehicle may get halted somewhere. I'm ready to come back in a street transport or anything. This is the situation right now. I don't know how Force is going to fix these errors. After lots of pressure, they brought a synchronizer and trying to fix with all the other vehicles. Mine is like still oil leaking, as I shown to you. TPF is a major error. Without fixing, please don't take up this vehicle. Apart from this, all like the bushes, packaging and everything, why at least spend some little money on it and produce a good items. So this is what update for you. If you're thinking the problems is resolved, absolutely not. Not yet. Maybe they will fix it. I'm not sure when. My format is gone already. All behind with this vehicle. No productivity, nothing. Always, the tension. Going back and forth to the workshop. And now I need to take this vehicle again because they said like this display is having the error. They're trying to change it. So maybe gearbox leaking also, and the axle bolt will take 4 hours, it said. And I'm not sure about like gearbox. I don't want to let them open it again, let them do what they want, but I'm not giving the vehicle for them for dismantling the gearbox. At this stage I don't want to recommend Gurkha to anyone. Please have a peace of mind. Don't lose your money, energy. This is not the time. Again, I'm telling you, like this is not the time to buy a Gurkha. It's a faulty version. Please careful.